I'm Keith Sater. Today, I'm going to walk you through how we use Scylla at GumGum to serve really relevant ads to users. Probably the most important one and the most relevant to this talk is our Tally backend, which we originally implemented in Cassandra. Our Tally Cassandra cluster was 51 instances around the globe. Just the basic cost of that alone was almost $200,000, not including staff time. And our staff time was pretty busy on that. We're not really a Cassandra-focused shop, and Cassandra is fantastic if you can throw a dev team at it, and we're not. We're making an ad server with computer vision, which is a different problem almost entirely. What Scylla via Tally does is help us count all the impressions, all the views, all the clicks, all the revenue, all the video streams, and play percentages along the way in the course of serving advertisements. Cassandra wasn't really performant under our high loads, and we're not a Cassandra engineering place, so we sort of struggled with that. So we thought about replacing this, and we went through a bunch of different vendor selections. Originally we looked at DataStax, great, a little pricey. Looked at Dynamo, not really right for us in terms of cost to performance, plus we have to change the entire Tally backend. Redis, we're pretty read heavy and we need some consistency in our writes, so Redis wasn't quite it. Scylla was a drop-in replacement. It was also a managed system, so we could really lay off a lot of the operational items to someone else that wasn't us, and we could focus on making relevant contextual ads and serving them. And we really had a lower amount of overhead and a higher throughput from putting Scylla into there. So from going to 50 instances, we went to 30, or 51 to 30, I should say. Still across the globe, our licensing cost, a little over $100,000. Our cluster cost, a little over $100,000, but our total annual cost with support. So with the Scylla backend, and they're great. We've got a live Slack channel with them. They're responsive to our emails and queries, $212,000. So to basically take 20% of two people's staff time and an entire load off of our system, this was the big win for us. So for just 13 grand, we got a much better and performant data system around the globe.